Hi, this is a video about the final project of Distributed System Group 16. And we made a shopping system with three kinds of distributed service using REST and Spring Boot. And the front end is constructed by Vue. And I will demonstrate the main services of our project. The first service is user service, including add user in the register page and user login to get user by username and password. First, we will register a new user. So I will fill in username with 1111 and password 123, phone number 12345, and address ECD. And I click register, and you can see that it returns the data true, so we can check the data set if the user has been inserted. You can see that in the 7 row that the user 1111 and with password 123 has been inserted. So we can log in to check that 1111 and 123 login. And you can see that the data has been correctly returned with address UCD and the phone 12345. And if we fill in the user that don't exist, like this, the data will return blank. So and then I will introduce the order service. The order service includes add user and include add order and get order ID. And first we will add a new order. User ID we say 1 because it must exist in the dataset, and category ID 1 and some money we will 999 and click add. You can see that the data printers is true, so it has been inserted in my dataset correctly, and we can check that in the order. We can see that the time is correct and the money is correct, and the user ID is 1. And we can also get order by its ID. We can get the 7th order. Click get, and we can see that it returns the right data, and it has been presented correctly in here. And we can also get another order. I will like 2, and it also shows the correct data. And the third service is category service, including creating category and getting category and list category with the same name and label. In this service, we will first create the category, and this is the update in the dataset. So if you fill in ID that is the same with the data that has existed in the dataset, it will update the data. We can check the dataset. the ID is 128, so we will insert a new ID. The name will stay book, and level is 2. Detail is books. Price is 20, and order ID 1, and we click create. And we can say that the data has been updated or created because this is using the post request. And we can see from the dataset flash. Okay, the ID 9 of book and details books is correctly inserted. So, and we can check that like 9, and we can see from we can see the details and name and price here. Also, we can search other category like 3, and it will list here. The last function is list category with the same name and level. And so I will insert a new category with the same name and level with the ID 9, and I will insert 910. Name is book, level is 2, and detail is the book, and the price is 25. Order ID. Okay, great. And we can say that the data has been correctly entered. And we can also check the data set. It has been inserted book, and we can list that with book, name book, and level 2. So we have 2 categories with the same name, book, and level 2. It all listed here. So that's all.